Hi friends, today we will be see the lesson from the fourth class, adaptation in animals. Okay, how the adaptation will be take place in the animals. Animals are preferred to live in a habitat where there is availability of food, shelter and suitable weather condition. What the animals will be do? They will be live in a place which is called habitat. We in this place they will be get the things. What are the things need for the animal? The things like food, shelter and suitable weather condition are necessary for a animal depending on their habitat. Okay, depending on their food condition, shelter and weather condition, animals can be placed under 5 different groups. That's why what happen, according to their suitability, which weather they are able to suit, which food condition, which shelter they will be able to shoot, according to that they are divided into 5 categories. There are the 5 categories of the animals. One is territorial animal, aquatic animal, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. These are the 5 types of animals condition which they are living. In this lesson we will see which are the condition they are living the animals. There are the 5 types of a condition where the animals are living. Here we will be see with the first one, territorial animal. Who are called the territorial animal? Territorial animal are that lived on a land. Who will be lived on land? For example, you can see in your nearby also cat, dog. These all are territorial animals. More than that, we can see many other animals like lion, camel, horse. These all animals also called the territorial animals because they also live on land. These all animals are live on land. For that, what there are things necessary for an animal to live on a land? These animal will walk and run with the help of 4 legs. Most of the animals have the 4 legs, but they can walk and run very fastly with the help of 4 legs, which will be live on the land. Most of have lungs. Who live on a land? The animals should have the lungs to breathe. Breathe means take the oxygen for alive. So they can breathe by what organ? Lungs. So most of the territorial animals have the breathing organ as a lungs. They have well-developed sense organs. Well-developed sense organs means what are the 5 sense organs? You know what are the 5 sense organs? Looking, hearing, smelling. Many are there. Taste, tasting, touching. These are the 5 sense organs. In this sense organ, they can easily find out their food because they can easily find out their food by these 5 sense organs, by looking or by smelling. Okay, like how the cat will smell the fish when your parents will at home cook the fish, the cat will be smell the fish. So like this, all the territorial animals have the 5 senses well developed for the purpose of food and protection from themselves from the enemies. They can protect also from the enemies. For example, rat have the sense to protect themselves from the cat. Like this, all the territorial animal have the well developed sense organs. The climate conditions at certain place on the land can be extreme. Okay, there will be extreme climate condition will be there. For example, varying from hot. Some places are hot and dry. You can know what are the places having very hot and dry. You can say easily desert. Deserts are very hot and dry places. And some places we will find extremely cool. Okay, some places, some territorial animals are living on desert also, and some territorial animals are living on cold region also, like mountains. They are living Himalaya mountains, which is very cold place. Atlantic, Arctic mountains. These are all the cold places where the many animals will be live. They are also called territorial animals. Polar regions where very cool atmosphere will be there. Now we will be see animals living in desert. What are the animals living in desert? You can see in the picture and tell me. There are 3 animals, and more than that many animals are there which are living in the desert. But you know these 3 very easily. This is called camel. Everyone know na? Camel is called the sheep of desert also. Scorpion and desert fox. And many more are there which are called the desert animals. So what are the desert animals have? Qualities. Okay, how they will be survive in desert, we will see. These animals are adapted to survive with little water. They will be survive with a little water also. Or they may drink a lot of water at a time only. What they will be do? When they will be drink a lot of water at a time only. And they can stay without water for several days also. Several days they can stay easily without water also, because they will be drink once only whatever they need. In a few one week they will be survive without water also. So these types of animals are called desert animals. There are many more we will see. Rattlesnake, lizard, hairy spider, desert scorpion, desert fox, and many more are there which are called the desert animal. And we will see much qualities of the desert animal. Most of desert animals are small in size. Except camel, many animals will be very small in size which are in desert. Big animals such as camel, I told you only the camel will be there, which is the big animals, have a thick skin. What they have, the skin will be very thick. There will be many layers, very thick skin that protects them. Because of thick skin that protects them from the heat of the sun. They will be protect their body from the heat of the sun because of thick skin. And loss of water also. It will help for loss of water also. Camel have paddy feet. The feet are paddy like. Like paddy means very soft paddy type feet, which help them to walk easily. Because camel have to walk on what? They have to walk easily on a loose and hot sand. Because camel have to live in desert, so definitely he have to walk on a sand, hot sand. So this paddy feet will be help him to walk easily on a hot sand. Animal live in cold region. Some animals are there, territorial animals, which will be live in cold region. Okay, like polar bear, penguin, Antarctic fox. These are the animals, and many more are there which are live in cold region, like yak. Okay, animals which live in cold region, what they have? They have a thick feather. Like you can see, bear have a thick feather and long hairs also, like Antarctic fox, the long hair also there, which will protect them from the cold. It will also protect them from the cold because they will be live in cold region. They have a thick skin also. They are having a very thick skin, like camel is having the thick skin which will be protecting the camel from the hot heat. Like that, these animals who are live in cold region, they also have a thick skin and a fat layer, and they also have a layer in their skin is very fat under their skin keep them warm, which will be keep them warm. So there are many more examples are there, like reindeer, polar bear, Antarctic fox, penguin and yak are the examples of cold region animals. Some animals such as snake, lizard, these all animals cannot bear, snake, lizard, bear, fox cannot tolerate the extreme cold. Some animals, what happen, they can live in cold region but they cannot face the extreme cold. If it is a snowfall, they cannot face it. So during the winter season, what they will be do, they'll eat a lots of food, like bear. He will be eat lots of food, honey and all this he will be eat. And then sleep in their caves. What they will be do when it is a long cool winter season, they will be collect the food in the summer season only, and they will be eat lots of food, and they will be sleep in their cave or holes. For example, it is rat means it will be fox, they all under the hole, under the ground of snow, they will be take a long sleep. These long sleeps are called hibernation. When they will be take a long sleep in the winter season, it is called a hibernation. Now in next video we will be see other different types of animals. Thank you for watching.